Hi, my name is Stuart Constantine. I am a co-founder of Core77. We are an online media business focusing on the design and creative industries, serving an audience worldwide. We've been publishing since 1995, so this is our 30th year, and we run a network of websites, programs, directories, and services for design and creative professionals and students around the world. Since 2011, we have run an annual awards program, and that's called the Core77 Design Awards, that has a panel of a panel of creative professionals who are the jury teams, and we get submissions from students and professionals around the world. We do that every year, and it's one of our favorite things that we do here at Core77. The winners, the student and professional winners for each category, there are approximately 20 categories each year. Each winner will receive a trophy that is produced in partnership with RapidDirect, and that's what we're here to talk about today. We worked with the people at RapidDirect to produce the trophies for our awards program, and we were really happy with the way that turned out. RapidDirect has a great range of capabilities and full production process from prototyping through finished product. They have their online platform for uploading the files was really easy to use, and the team there was really communicative and supportive and very knowledgeable. There was a lot of communication back and forth between us as we got the files delivered and the surface finish specified. They were very clear and proactive in their communications with us that really helped clarify what we were trying to achieve and how they could best support that for us. And the whole process went really smoothly, and we were delighted with the outcome. The trophies were beautiful, and have some right here to show. They have a beautiful mirrored finish and bead blasted exterior, and a nice finish on the inside with custom engraving both on the front and the back. So like I said, RapidDirect was really great in every step of the process and delivered a beautiful finished product, and we were thrilled to work with them. And we look forward to working with them again to produce the trophies for the 2025 edition of the awards program. In addition to that, we also look forward to working with them to help bring their expertise, their prototyping and production expertise to our audience through a series of outreach and programs to help people better understand their capabilities and try to make a connection between them and the professional designers that we serve. So this is the Core77 Design Awards trophy. There is a trophy for the winner of each category, the student winner and professional winner. So there's 2 trophies for each category. And it's designed as a mold, as a reference to the collaborative nature of the design process, so that even though there's only 1 trophy for each project, you're able to actually cast smaller versions of the trophy for each team member. You can cast it with whatever material you can use. So the trophy has, a mirror polish finish on the surface here and also on the inside. And each trophy is milled from a block of aluminum and then engraved with the Design Awards logo, the year, the category, and the project name, both on the inside and the outside. Inside and the outside. So it was really important for us that RapidDirect was able to, get that etching done really well. Some of these lines are really fine, and also to do the etching on the inside like that. The finishing of the surfaces, both inside and outside, it was done to the absolute perfection. And they even recommended some fixes to some of the little bits of the files here, which was very helpful. During the production process, they pointed out that some of the pieces they had made had gotten either a little damage or a little flaw here or there, so they were able to either fix those or recreate the whole trophy so that the product that they delivered at the end was 100% perfect, and each one was exactly as we needed, and we were really happy with that. The trophies were all packed individually, very carefully, and shipped to us, and then we take them and package them individually and send them out to the winners each year. So again, you can see the inside finish there and the outside finish here. So we were really happy with how these turned out, and we're looking forward to doing it again in 2025.